How to be healthy. Hey there, health enthusiasts. Today, we're going to talk about how to be healthy. Remember, being healthy is not just about exercising and eating right, but also about maintaining a balanced lifestyle. Firstly, let's talk about diet. A healthy diet should include a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. It's important to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water and avoiding sugary drinks. Next, let's discuss exercise. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. This could be walking, cycling, or any activity that gets your heart pumping. Lastly, don't forget about mental health. Take time for self-care, practice mindfulness, and seek support when needed. Remember, being healthy is a journey, not a destination. So, let's make it a priority and enjoy the benefits of a healthy lifestyle. Thank you for tuning in. And if you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Stay healthy, stay happy.